Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get rid of a white background in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And here in the center of your screen, you're going to find this option to start a new project, open from computer. You can see the templates and you can also install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on a new project. Once you click on new project, you're going to be right here in this window. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find the option to start a new project. Here you're going to find the width, the height, and also the DPI. And right here in the bottom, you can choose a size for your image. So right now I'm gonna go to screen, and then right here, as you can see guys, I'm gonna choose, for example, this size and then click on create. Once you click on create, you're gonna be right here. So firstly, I'm gonna add a layer and then I'm gonna add an image. I'm gonna click on file and then open and place. Then I'm gonna add, for example, this image. Once you add your image, you can adjust the size of it right here to fit it. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your layers. So right now, if you want to get rid of the background or get rid of any layer, just go ahead and select it. And once you select it right here in the bottom, you're going to find this option to delete the layer. You can also right click on it if you want. And right here, you're going to find delete. Once you click on delete, you're going to be able to delete the layer. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.